NAURYZ. In ancient times, life was very hard for Kazakh nomads, as they traveled the steppes, sleeping in tents made of camel wool called yurts. The long winters were particularly difficult, and the Kazakhs waited for a sign that spring had arrived. When they saw the sun shining through the hole in the top of the yurt, they knew winter was over. This usually happened in the month of March, or NAURYZ, as it is in Kazakh. These days, people keep up the tradition of spring with a celebration, also called NAURYZ. It begins on the spring equinox, the 21st of March, and lasts for 3 days. People prepare by planting trees and flowers and cleaning their houses. According to legend, the holy man, Kadir Ata, wanders the streets during NAURYZ, and he will bless a house if it is clean and the people are good. In city squares, yurts are set up so that people can experience the lifestyle of the early nomads. People go to see theatrical performances and music concerts featuring traditional instruments such as the dombra. Because Kazakh nomads were exceptionally skilled horse riders, there is usually a sporting event with horses. A special milk dish made with 7 ingredients, called NAURYZ koje, is always served during the celebrations. 7 is a significant number during NAURYZ. There is a special custom to invite 7 guests and visit 7 houses. The belief is that the more generous you are in offering food, forgiveness and kindness, the more good fortune and success you will have in the coming year.